Hey, Coach Greg here with Svelte Training, and we are on day 2 of our 10-day Sculpting Pilates challenge. So let's jump right into the workout. We're gonna put 30 seconds on the clock, and we're starting with some knee crunch to side lifts. We're gonna focus on our left leg. So here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. All we're doing is standing up straight, arm is up overhead. We're bringing our elbow to meet our knee, arm back up, leg down, bring everything out to the side, just like this. Pull from your hip flexor. Boom. Crunch up. We really want to focus on as if you're pulling the ground down, your palms should be facing you, so you're up tight. Boom. So you're here, you're crunching over, releasing, and then now you're doing a side bend or a side leg lift basically. Boom. Just like this. Go slow at first. It could be almost like a little puzzle. Or you can just focus on one at a time, just doing these, and then switching to these, whatever you want. We got 3, 2, 1, and done. Now we're gonna do the right leg. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Boom, out to the side. Really focus on your balance. There it is. You can have your leg that's planted, have a slight bend to it. You can also hold on to something if you need to. And if you can do it without arms, you can just focus on the leg side, whatever you want. The goal is really being intentional about the crunching. Just like that, we're pulling, and we're breathing. Couple more seconds here, 3, 2, 1, let's do one more. Done, great job. 2 exercises down, 2 more to go. We have a knee drive to rotation. Very similar, there's gonna be a lot of knee action here. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Keeping our arms out in front of us. We're driving our knee up. As you bring a knee up, we are gonna rotate towards that side. Boom, knees down, hands come back together, the other knee comes up, rotating out to that side and down. So we're just here, just trying to open up. Try not to lose your balance like I just did. You could be slow at first. Again, focus on trying not to like hunch over when you're doing this. Strong, stable base. My knee is, like focus on one thing at a time. Knee up, then the rotate, just to make sure your proper technique. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Last exercise, we have the good old bicycle crunch. Hands behind your head. We're gonna focus on alternating elbow to knee. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Just bring that knee up and over. Just like that. A lot of rotational stuff for here, but again, we really wanna focus on sculpting our core. And it's not about speed, it's more about intention, intensity. Because I could do like a bunch of these, but I won't do anything. But if I'm really being intentional and squeezing on each one, after 10, I'll be tired. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. We got this. Grab some water if you need to, but if not, we're jumping into our second set. I'm gonna stop talking, music's going up, and we're gonna have some fun. Let's get it. Knee crunch to side lift. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Knee crunch to side lift. 3, 2, 1, go. Knee drive to rotation. 3, 2, 1, go. Bicycle crunch, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done, one more to go. We got this. Knee crunch to side lift, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Knee crunch to side lift, 3, 2, 1, go. Knee drive to rotation, 3, 2, 1, go. Bicycle crunch, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That is day 2 done for this Sculpting Pilates challenge. Hopefully you had a great time with this workout. Hopefully you enjoyed yesterday's workout, but then tune in tomorrow, day 3 with Coach Gabby. She has another one that's gonna be amazing. So if you haven't already, click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping from Coach Mayor, Coach Gabby, Coach Greg, that is me. I will see you on day 4. Have fun, my friends. Peace.